Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what I do. I'm sorry if my lighting's like really bad. I'm just putting you right there, and here's a different background. My bed's messy. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you what I have in my order box. Okay, this is where I keep all my stuff. This is the side I'm gonna put on my eye locker. And then these are my post-it notes. If you go to my school, it says, "Thank you for buying my slime." And that's my logo. That's our logo. You put it around. And it says, "No more slime. I need a restock." And then I have this one. It says, "Buy from Nor and Nevea Slime Factory." And the logo again. And then these are for big packages. These are clear wrapping when I put them in like containers like this. If someone ordered a container like this, I wrap it around and I tape it for it won't leak out. And they're probably like, where's all the slime? So the slime is in like my room, the spare room over there. Okay. This is one of my orders. I'm not going to show you the name, but I'm going to show you the name, and it says Green Crunch. I'm not showing you guys their names because it's business practice. Another package, Blue Crunch. It's a recreated of the Green Crunch. And then this is Fishbowl Slime. It's really pretty. Okay, and then I have the boxes. I can show you because, and then my business cards are in each of them. Okay. Can't show you the name. This is one of our slimes, and here is another one of our slimes. She ordered 2 slimes, and she gets it in a box, but yeah. I'm not doing, what's it called, my lighting's kind of getting better. I'm not doing containers yet because I need to find really not even expensive containers. And then this is another container. My cards are in there. You got Chuck and the Love Slime. Love Slime is Valentine's slime when it's pink, and yeah. So yeah, that's how I have all this stuff, and they're all my slime. So I'm gonna show you the chocolate one if you wanna buy some from me. And if you wanna buy some, go to my Musical.ly. So yeah, this is like a really sticky slime, but I'm gonna show you it anyway after I just got out the shower. But it's okay, guys. So this is the chocolate. It has it's called chocolate ice cream, and there's like rose gold glitter. If you can't see, they have gold glitter or rose gold. I put rose gold in here, but it just don't look like rose gold. And you can see the chocolate. And it wants to be a butter slime, and it is a butter slime. Can't put it on the floor because there's hair everywhere, and I made it on my table, so that's why it has hair in it. Because I have a slime factory now. People don't want. Yeah, I'm only gonna show you. And this one has a lot of glitter. Okay, how am I gonna? You can't see the name. Comment down below if you can see the name, because I don't think you can. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one from Shiloh's collection. No, just kidding. From my collection. This is this banana slime. I don't know. It's like got harder. It used to be really soft. These bananas are supposed to be. See, this is a butter slime because it's kind of rough to stretch. And it's banana split. See. And so yeah, I'm not gonna open those envelopes because I sealed them already. And the reason why they're in a box is because they got 2 slimes. So yeah, that's how I do all my stuff. So yeah, I hope you like this will be uploaded today, and I maybe gonna do some videos with my cousins. I'm going to a eating place. So yeah, this is another slime. Okay, I'm gonna show you my slimes that I made in the few, like the ones that are not good because I added the wrong detergent and I added borax too. I added 2 detergents to it, so borax and like Tide. Yeah, Tide. Just see, it's like a jiggle slime. I got 2 of these. This one's one of the smaller ones. And when I fix that, I'm going to put this in my collection because that's a really good slime. I can reuse that. And guys, I have my cute little containers back. So like these, I can wrap in wrapping paper. And I can pretend that I have like, yeah.